Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Cafe. My name is Muhammad Ali Sher, and in this tutorial we will work on the sign up button. So if we go back to our insert underscore user.php, after the include tag we will add an if condition. So if I set and then dollar underscore post, so over here we will type the sign up button name. So its name is sign underscore up. So if this button is clicked, here or here is sign underscore up. Okay, so if this button is clicked, then what we will do, first we will create a variable for the first underscore name. Okay, and it will be equals to html entities and then mysql underscore real underscore real underscore escape underscore string. Yeah, it's mysql real underscore escape string, and this html entity is used for some kind of security purpose. So if the user insert or add any kind of php codes or html codes, then it will change it to text. Okay, so mysql real underscore real escape string and then the database connection variable, and after that we will add dollar underscore post and then the first underscore name. Okay, this first underscore name comes from the signup.php over here. Where is it? Here, a first underscore name. Okay, so after the first underscore name, now we will get the last underscore name. So for that we will just copy this, not this curly bracket. So over here we will paste it and we will change this to last underscore name, and this one to last underscore name. So after this we will paste it one more time again and we will change this to password. So variable will be pass and this one will be u underscore pass, and after the password we will paste it 3 times and we will change this to email and then this one to u underscore email, and then first underscore name will be changed into the country variable, and this one to u underscore country, and after the country we have a gender option, gender, and then u underscore gender. After the gender we will paste it one more time again, and then for the birth, birth, birth day, and it will be equals to u underscore birthday. So after the birthday we will have an option for the status, and it will be equals to verified, not double e, single e, and after the verified we will add for the posts. So by default the posts will be equals to no. So if the user sign up, then he will have no post, so that's why we equal the post to no, and then new, and then gid will be equals to s and then pri split f, and its format will be the percentage sign then 05, and then D, I think it's correct, and after that the random number, and for the random number we will, we will generate random number between 0 to 99999. Okay, I will tell you why I created this new GID variable and then the random number. Okay, I will tell you in the end of this video. So now after this we will create a username variable, and it will be equals to stro and then lo lowercase first underscore name, and then dot, and then double quotes, and then underscore, and then after that we will add another dot, and then last underscore name, and then dot, and then again double quotes, then underscore, and then dot, and then the dollar new GID variable. So let me tell you why I created this new GID variable. Because we want to give username a default username to a user which will be sign up to our website. So what this variable will do, it will create a number after the first and last name. Okay, and then after the first underscore and last underscore name, it will generate a random number between 99999 0 to 99999. So if some user sign up and its username is Ali underscore share, so, and if other user also sign up and his username is also Ali underscore share, okay, I mean the first and last name, this will be his first name and this will be his last name. So after the first and last name, it will generate a random number between 0 to 999. So it will generate a number like that. Okay, not this long. Okay, so I hope you will understand this. So after this dollar user underscore name variable, we will create a variable for the check underscore username underscore query. So now we will check the username in the database if the username is exist in the table already or not. So we will type select user underscore name from the users table, and then where user underscore email will be equals to the dollar email variable. Okay, so after this we will create a variable run underscore username, and it will be equals to mysql underscore query, and then over in here we will type the connection variable, and then the dollar check underscore username underscore query variable. So after this we will add another if condition, and then we will type str. We will now check the length of the password. So if $pass is less than 9, I think, yes, less than 9, then what we will do, we will echo out some script or alert. So for that we will create a script variable, script script, and in the size script variable we will type alert, and then brackets, and then single quotes, and then we will type Password should be minimum 9 characters. Okay, and after the script we will exit. We will just type exit, so it will close, so it will not move on. I mean, it will not continue the code. Okay, it will just stop there. So after this curly bracket we will create another variable dollar check underscore email, and it will be equals to a query, and then query will be select all from the users table, where user underscore email will be equals to the dollar email variable. Okay, and then we will create another variable run underscore email, and it will be equals to mysqli underscore num underscore, not num underscore, was mysqli underscore query, and over here we will pass the dollar check underscore email variable, and then we will create another variable check, and it will be equals to sqli, I mean mysqli underscore num underscore rows, so it will check all the emails in the database one by one, and then we will pass over here the run underscore email variable. So now we will add an if condition. So if dollar check means if email is equals to any of the email present in the database, then what we will do, we will echo some alert. So over here we will type alert, and then in these brackets we will add a single quotes, and then we will type email already exists, please try using another email. Okay, so oh, we didn't add a script tags. Okay, and after this we will redirect them to the signup.php page again. Okay, so for that we will type, so the script tags window.open and then signup.php. I just pause the video and type all of this to save our time, and after this we will type exit, so it will not move on. So now we will create a variable rand, and it will be equals to rand. We will now create another random number between 1 and 3. Okay, and I will just add a comment random number between 1 and 3. So I will tell you why I just create this random number. So if random number is equals to 1, so this is for the profile images. Okay, so I have 3 profile images in the users folder. Okay, here is number 1 is head underscore red.png, head underscore sunflower, and head underscore tur turquoise or whatever, I don't spell it right. So if the random number is equals to 1, then dollar profile underscore pic will be equals to the image head head underscore red, and then dot png. Okay, this first image head underscore red, we will give user different profile pictures, I mean 3 different profile pictures. And now we will just copy this if condition, and we will paste it over here, and we will change this to else if it is, so if it is the random number is equals to 2, then we will give them the sunflower profile picture. So head underscore sunflower dot png, and then we will paste it again, and then else if it is equals to 3, then we will give them the head underscore turquoise. So this will give different profile pictures to a user. And now let's insert all of this data. So insert will be equals to a query insert into users and then two brackets, and the first one is the f underscore name, then l underscore name, and after that we have a user name, and then describe underscore, I think it's user, describe underscore user, and then relationship, the relationship what we will have, the user underscore password email country gender. Okay, after the relationship status we will have our user underscore pass, and then after the password we have our user underscore email, and after the email we have a user underscore country, and after that we will have a user underscore gender, and then user underscore birthday, and then user underscore image, the profile image, and after the image we have a cover, so user underscore cover, cover. Okay, and after the cover we have a user underscore registration, and then date, user underscore reg underscore date, and then status, status, and after the status what we will have, the now we will have a post, and after the post we have our recovery and recovery underscore account. So now let's assign it a values. So I will press enter, and then I will type values and then two brackets, and for the first name we have our f first underscore name variable, so I will add a dollar sign first underscore name, and then I will add some more single quotes. Okay, so after the first name we have our last underscore name variable, and then the for the username, and after the username we will just add a user describe underscore use, I mean this one, this describe underscore user will be equals to, so hello coding cafe, this is my default status, and after the describe underscore user we will have a relationship status, so we will add three dots, and after the relationship status we will have our password, so it will be equals to dollar pass variable, and after the password we will have an email, and after the email we have our dollar, I think dollar country, and after the country we have our dollar gender, and after the gender dollar birthday, and after the birthday what we will have, the dollar profile underscore pic variable, this one. Okay, profile underscore pic, and after that what we will have, the cover picture. So for the cover picture I have only one picture, and that picture name is default underscore cover.jpg. So the core will be default underscore cover.jpg. It is in the covers folder, default underscore cover.jpg. The link to all of this picture will be down in the description. So after the cover picture, what we'll have is the registration date, I think, yes, and it will be equals to now, means the current time. And after this, what we will have, the status, it will be equals to dollar status variable. And after the status, first add a single quotes, and then over here we will type dollar posts. And for the recovery account option, I will just type so in the recovery underscore account I will just add some Steve Jobs quotes. So I will just copy this, the first one. Okay, I want to put a ding in the universe. Wow. So I will just remove these spaces from here and also here and then here and over here, here and here. Okay, so the default recovery underscore account will be equals to the Steve Jobs quote. Okay, no one knows that. And after this I will create a variable dollar query, and it will be equals to mysql underscore query, and then the dollar connection variable, and then we will pass the dollar insert variable. So now if the dollar query variable acts or runs successfully, then we will echo out something. So we will just copy all of this code from here and we will paste it over here, and we will change this to well done, and then the user's first name, and then we will type you are good to go. Then we will send them to the signin.php. I will create the signin.php in the next videos. Okay, so don't worry. And if the dollar query variable not acts or runs successfully, then what we will echo, that registration failed, please try again, and then they will be redirected to the signup.php file. So first thing first, we will remove this comment I just commented because it gave out an error. So now we created this insert underscore user.php page. So now if we save all of this and we will refresh this, and now I will create a user by my name Ali and last name is Share. So this is all of my data, email and country and gender and birth date. If I click on the sign up button, it says well done Ali, you are good to go. Okay, we didn't create this sign-in.php, we will create this page in the next video. So now if I go to the users table and I refresh it, here is the user, his first name is Ali, last name is Share, and then the username, the first and last name, and then we create a random number. Okay, and then is all of his data which he entered. So guys, this is it for this video, and in the next video we will work on the sign-in.php file. And subscribe our channel Coding Cafe.